How to use Zelle with CITI Bank application. Are you guys facing issues to use Zelle with CITI Bank application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To start using Zelle with CITI Bank, open your CITI mobile application and log in into your account with your credentials from the main menu. Go to Payment and Transfers and select Send Money with Zelle. If you are a first-time user, you'll need to enter your US mobile number or email address, then link it to your CITI checking account. Once enrolled, you are ready to send and receive money. To send money, choose a recipient from your contact or type in the US phone number or email. Enter the amount, add a note if you like to tap Send. The money is usually delivered within minutes if the recipient is also enrolled with Zelle. To receive money, just enrolled funds will go directly into your CITI account. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna use Zelle with CITI Bank application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.